Hello, good morning everyone. We are here to present to you the ISO 9000 for performance excellence. For the clarification of everyone, this report is based only on the internet that we researched about the topic. References are linked in the last clip of the video. We sincerely apologize if the video report becomes low quality due to internet connection, but we hope you will still gain knowledge about our report. For the context of this report is will cover the introduction of ISO 9000, 8 quality management principles. Why is ISO 9000 important? How ISO 9000 can benefit your business. How ISO 9000 can benefit your customers. How ISO 9000 can benefit your employees. And lastly, the overall conclusion of the report.
The ISO 9000 family of standard is related to quality management system and designed to help organizations ensure that they meet the needs of our customer and other stakeholders while meeting statutory and regulatory requirements. It means that the IOS 9000 family of standard is concerned with quality management system, and it is intended to assist businesses in meeting the expectation of customers and other stakeholders while also adhering to legislative and regulatory requirements. Next is that ISO 9000 deals with the fundamental of quality management system, including the 8 management principles on which the family of standard is based. ISO 9000 covers the fundamental of quality management system as well as the 8 management concept that underpin the IS family of standards, which I will discuss later about the 8 quality management principles. International standards promote international trade by providing one consistent set of requirements recognized around the world. So basically, international standards help to encourage international trade by establishing a uniform set of requirements that are accepted all across the world. ISO 9000 can help companies satisfy its customers meet regulatory requirements and achieve continual improvement. It provides the base level of quality system, not a complete guarantee of quality. So, ISO 9000 can assist a company in satisfying its customers, meeting regulatory obligation, and improving continuously. It serves as the foundation of quality system, rather a comprehension assurance of quality. Originally published in 1987 by the International Organization for Standardization, a specialized international agency for standardization composed of national standards bodies of 90 nations. So IOS 9000 is published by the International Organization for Standardization in 1987. International standardization made up of national standard organization from 90 countries. So let's proceed to 8 quality management principles. First is the customer focus. As you expect, customer focus is the first principles. Right where it should be. It covers both customers' needs and customer service. This principle stresses that a business should understand its customers, what they need, and when, while trying to meet but preferably exceed customers' expectations. So as the business ability to spot new customer opportunities and satisfy them improves, customer loyalty increases, revenue rises, and waste is done reduced. More effective processes result in improved customer satisfaction overall. So next is leadership. Without a clear and strong leadership, a business flounders. Principle 2 is concerned with the direction of the organization. The business should have clear goals and objectives and ensure its employees are actively involved in achieving those targets. The benefits are higher levels of employee engagement and increased motivation to satisfy customers' needs. Research shows if employees are kept in loop, and understand the business vision, they'll be more productive. This principle seeks to rectify employees' complaints about lack of communication. So let's move to people involvement. The process approach is all about efficiency and effectiveness. Well-managed process reduce costs, improve consistency, eliminate waste, and promote continuous improvement. By becoming more efficient organization, you will build confidence in your stakeholders by optimizing performance. Manage process by making responsibilities clear and ensuring your resources are used in the best way. Next, the process approach. The process approach is all about efficiency and effectiveness. It's also about consistency and understanding that good processes also speeds up activities. Great processes reduce costs, improve consistency, eliminate waste, and promote continuous improvement. Next, systematic approach to management. ISO defines this principle as identifying, understanding, and managing interrelated process as a system contributes to the organization's effectiveness and efficiency in achieving its objectives. A business focuses its effort on the key processes as well as aligning complementary processes to get better efficiency. This means that multiple processes are managed together as a system management, which should lead to greater efficiency. Next, the continual improvement. This principle is very straightforward. Continual improvement should be an active business objectives. The benefits of these are clear. Increased ability to embrace new opportunities, organizational flexibility, and improved performance, especially in difficult economic times. The businesses that thrive are those that can adapt new market situations. The factual approach to decision making. A logical approach based on data and analysis is good business sense. Unfortunately, in the fast-paced workplace, decision can be often made rashly without proper thought. Implementing the quality management principles we've discussed will allow decision to be made with clarity. Informed decisions lead to improved understanding of the marketplace as data is collated and analyzed, and the ability to defend past decision. And lastly, the mutually beneficial supplier relations. This principle deals with supply chains. It promotes the relationship between the company and its suppliers. Recognizing it is interdependent, a strong relationship enhances productivity and encourages seamless working practices. The result is optimization of costs and resources, improving and building long-term relationships, and the flexibility of joint responses to changing markets or customer needs and expectations.
Why ISO 9000 is important? Well, ISO 9000 is important, and the importance of it is the importance of quality. Many companies offer products and services, but it is those companies who put out the best products and services efficiently that succeed. With ISO 9000, an organization can identify the root of the problem and therefore find a solution. By improving efficiency, profit can be maximized. Maraming mga kumpanya ang nag-aalok ng mga products and service, but it is those companies who put out the best products and services efficiently are the ones who always succeed. With ISO 9000, ma-identify or matutukoy ng isang organisasyon ang pinag-ugatan ng mga problema, and therefore can find a solution for a certain problem. Also, by improving efficiency, profit can be maximized. As a broad range of companies implement the ISO 9000 standards, a supply chain with integrity is created. Each company that participates in the process of developing, manufacturing, and marketing a product knows that it is part of an internationally known, reliable system. As a broad range of companies implement the ISO 9000 standards, isang supply chain na may integridad ang nalilikha. Ang bawat kumpanyang nakikilahok sa proseso ng pagbuo, pagmamanupaktura at pagmamerkado ng isang produkto ay alam nila na ito ay parte ng isang kilala at reliable na sistema. Not only do businesses recognize the importance of the ISO 9000, but also the customer realizes the importance of quality. And because the consumer is the most important to a company, ISO 9000 makes the customer its focus. So, hindi lamang kinikilala ng mga negosyo ang kahalagahan ng ISO 9000. Ngunit, napagtanto din ng mga mamimili o ng customers ang kahalagahan ng kalidad. Siyempre, mahalaga ang kalidad dahil dito masasabi natin kung worth it ba na ginastusan natin ng ganitong halaga yung isang bagay o serbisyo. At dahil ang mga customer o guest ang mahalaga sa isang kumpanya o sa isang negosyo, ito ang pinagtuunan ng matsin ng ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is a family of quality management standards and quality management in the form of a properly enforced quality management can help an organization to first market their business more effectively. Next, exploit new markets. Another one is streamline onboarding processes. Manage growth more efficiently. Implement and reap the rewards of continuous improvement. Reduce error in production processes. Improve product or service efficiency. And last, improve customer and stakeholders' satisfaction. Ang ISO 9000 ay nag-uugnay sa mga sistema ng pamamahala ng kalidad at idinisenyo upang tulungan ang mga organisasyon na matiyak na natutugunan nila ang mga pangangailangan ng mga customer at iba pang stakeholders.
How ISO 9000 can benefit your business. For all recurring processes, your ISO 9000 will help to reduce the rate of error. By utilizing a respected international standard, your brand image and credibility will increase. Manual work is reduced with process integration and process automation. By using data and evidence from auditing and detailed records, you will improve organizational efficiency and effectiveness. You will save more time for more efficient management of resources. You will increase profit potential and market share overall as a result of the cumulative effects of implementing ISO 9000 standards. A good foundation builds a good business. And ISO 9000 is a good foundation for small businesses that want to expand their market. By introducing a quality management system like ISO 9000 to small business, the quality of processes will increase and cost due to efficiency will decrease. In addition, a small business will be able to advertise their use of the internationally recognized ISO 9000. This may create business opportunities that were not available before an objectively verified quality management system was in place. Ang isang mahusay na pundasyon ay nagtatayo ng isang mahusay na negosyo, at ang ISO 9000 ay isang magandang pundasyon para sa maliit na negosyo na gustong palawakin ng kanilang merkado sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakilala ng isang sistema ng pamamahala ng kalidad tulad ng ISO 9000. Sa isang maliit na negosyo, tataas ang kalidad ng mga proseso at bababa ang mga gastos dahil sa kawalan ng kausayan. Bilang karagdagan, ang isang maliit na negosyo ay magagawa mag-advertise ng kanilang paggamit ng kinikilalang international na ISO 9000. Ito ay maaaring lumika ng mga pagkakataon sa negosyo na hindi magagamit bago isang objectively na verify na sistema ng pamamahala ng kalidad ay inilagay. Having management system in place, such as ISO 9000 will also help in selling a small business. The integrity and value of a small business will apparent with well-documented processes and proof of quality. ISO 9000 will ensure the reputation of your business in any situation. Ang pagkakataon ng mga sistema ng pamamahala sa lugar tulad ng ISO 9000 ay makakatulong din kapag nagbebenta ng isang negosyo. Ang integridad at talaga ng isang maliit na negosyo ay makikita na may mahusay na dokumentado ng mga proseso at patunay na kalidad. Titiyakin ng ISO 9000 ng reputasyon ng iyong negosyo sa anumang sitwasyon.
How ISO 9000 can benefit your customer. Customer satisfaction will rise as you will be equipped to quickly and efficiently act on feedback. Yes, feedback is powerful information that can give you crucial insight into every part of your company, helping make more money or cut marketing expenses, and most importantly, acting up regarding the given feedback. Would you make your service or products much better? ISO 9000 standard for quality management encourage preventative thinking and planning, meaning you will address issues before they have a chance to arise and cause problem for customer or any another sectors of business. One of many reasons why ISO 9000 is great, it mitigates problem or it you have already encountered one of there will be a plan before customer will ISO 9000 certification as advantage of a high quality variable vendor. Since ISO 9000 is defined as a set of international standards on quality management and quality assurance. This seems as said to be a badge of high quality products or service, and by this you will be able to attract more customers through time. Customer satisfaction is a core focus of ISO 9000 standards, so any effective implementation should see improvements to customer satisfaction. In any type of business, customer satisfaction is must and what aims for, since it is core focus of ISO 9000 standards through and with great employment strategies and of course plan. Anyone can achieve it with the help effective implementation of its iOS 9000 standards.
When done right, ISO 9000 standards will help to foster a company culture of continuous improvement. Process ownership and accountability is an important concept of ISO 9000 standards, and as such employees will become more engaged with and feel responsible for their processes. This in turn improves process quality. Improved business performance means more secure jobs, higher workplace happiness, and job satisfaction due to roles being clearly defined and streamlined. Onboarding and training becomes more streamlined thanks to improved planning and organizational structuring for ISO 9000 requirements. When we were given an activity to interview a company regarding the ISO 9000, I've interviewed Mr. Eduardo Nicolas, who is the former Vice President of Toyota Motors Philippines. He shared that some of the benefits of being an ISO certified is that it provides incentives to all the employees. He also added that whenever Toyota achieves top seller, they give out bonuses up to 17th month. To understand the report better, here's a video showing the ISO 9000.
Hi everybody, my name is Piso, and today we're gonna talk about ISO 9000 and total quality. What is total quality? As a review, total quality is the overall description of the culture, attitude, and organization of the company that provides customers with a product that satisfies their needs. In other words, if customers like your product, it has total quality. Now let's go to ISO 9000. But before we go into that, what exactly is ISO 9000? Is it a camera thingy-mabob? Is it a piso without a P? Well, it's a bit complicated to explain, but let's start things off by talking about standards. Standards have an essential role in our everyday lives. Without standards, quality and safety would be non-existent. Standards basically make processes more efficient and conducting businesses with different firms and people possible. To promote worldwide standardization, the International Organization of Standardization, or ISO, created standards that transcend different cultures and industries. In 1987, ISO adopted ISO 9000 as the golden standard for quality. Here's a short background. ISO 9000 originated from the UK and focused strictly on procedures. As time went by, revisions were made on quality assurance and process management. As of December 31, 2006, ISO has developed 16,455 international standards in 9 sectors based on the International Classification for Standards, or ICS. These sectors include generalities, infrastructures and science, health, safety and environment, engineering, electronics, transport, agriculture, materials, construction, special technologies, and many others. ISO 9000 is built on 8 quality management principles. You can remember it by saying this short acronym. CLIPSCFUM. CLIPSCFUM means customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutually beneficial supplier relationships. CLIPSCFUM. These principles are used by leaders to guide organizations toward improved performance. The main reason why ISO exists is that it provides a uniform set of standards. This allows it to be compatible with different inputs and applications from businesses from all over the globe. Organizations with an ISO 9000 certification can better sell its products or services to its consumers. The beauty of ISO is that it is objective. An independent organization called a registrar measures the company against the ISO 9000 standard that is accepted globally as the defining set of quality management system requirements. This independent evaluation assures existing and respective customers that an effective quality management system is in place.
In today's worldwide industry, quality requirements are extremely vital. The push toward standardization began to alter the entire paradigm of business management. A large number of companies recognize the importance of quality awareness. It is widely acknowledged as a key approach for the sale of goods and services around the world. It's important to remember that becoming registered to an ISO 9000 standard will assist most businesses in the short and long run. ISO 9000 is a bunch of internationally recognized quality management and assurance standards. The International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, published it with the goal of encouraging the production of goods and services that satisfy a universally recognized standard of quality. ISO 9000 is a quality management standard that lays acknowledged procedures for improving corporate efficiency and customer satisfaction. ISO 9000's purpose is to embed a quality management system within a business, boosting efficiency, lowering wasteful costs, and maintaining productivity and customer satisfaction. ISO standards serve as a solid foundation for the establishment of national and international regulations, saving time and lowering the trade barriers.
For overall conclusion, what is ISO 9000? In short, ISO 9000 is a set of internationally recognized standards for quality assurance and management, published by the International Organization for Standardization. It aims to encourage the production of goods and services that meet a globally acceptable level of quality. This report is submitted by Bello Megumi, Bolisay Justin, Bueno Kier, L. Cruz Wencelin, and Olo Gleimer. Submitted to Mr. Elijah Jeremiah Abad. Thank you all for watching.